A very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to TechGeek webinar series. The topic for today's session is Plan and Manage the Software Development Lifecycle. And we have with us today Naveen, who is the Head Pre-Sales Micro Focus India. Naveen is a PhD holder and a qualified MBA with 13 years of work experience in different domains like IT, finance, sales, and marketing. In his previous engagements at Bolin and Micro Focus, he was involved in the pre-sales and post-sales activities, which comprised of consulting and close collaboration with customers during the evaluation phase or piloting of a project for conducting the proof of concept study. Continuing the role and responsibilities at CompuWare, he was also into mobilizing and training partners' technical teams to address customers' needs and requirements. He is engaged in conducting seminars at various forums and has been actively involved in the corporate market development of India region for application performance testing and management tools and technologies. We will have the session going for the first 45 minutes where Naveen will take us through a bunch of slides, followed by which we are going to open up for a very brief round of Q&A. During the last 15 odd minutes. Request all the attendees to start sending in questions to me from 3:30 p.m. onwards today so that the same can be assigned to Naveen accordingly. And in case there is any problem in terms of the connection, audio, visual, both, please feel free to inform me right away by sending me the messages on the chat window. So without any further delay, now I hand over the session to Naveen. Over to you, Naveen. I hope you can hear me, Naveen.
Yeah. Hi, Sri Lagna. I can hear you loud and clear. Can you hear me?
Yes, Naveen. Please carry on.
Okay. Just one confirmation I seek. Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen.
Okay, great. Thank you so much, Sri Lagna, for a very nice introduction of mine. And a very good afternoon to each and everyone who has logged into today's call and my discussion and presentation on plan and management of the SDLC, that is the Software Development Lifecycle. The pleasure is all mine in sharing my ideas and views on the topic. So I would like to start off straight away. As Sri Lagna has already mentioned that I'll be going on with the presentation for 40-45 minutes, and then I'll take up the questions as and how they come in. So let me just start from by describing the agenda so that we have an idea as to what all we're going to touch upon in today's presentation. The first agenda being a CIO's concern. Okay, we had done a survey with one of our partner research companies. I'll give you more details on that when we go to the respective slide, and I'll share the outcomes of that research, our survey, and then we'll talk about the realities of software development as of today as we speak. And also, apart from saying what are the CIO's concerns, we'll also discuss the points on addressing the CIO's concerns. How do we address them? How do we provide a resolution to the CIO's concerns? Then we'll deep dive into the software supply chain, which is totally in sync with the topic today, plan and manage your SDLC. What are the key issues which are faced and the respective solutions to those key issues, and the desired outcomes. What have to be the desired outcomes in today's software industry, where SDLC is being widely practiced. Okay, so moving on to the first slide, it's very important for us to understand that active collaboration between an end client and its service provider is really key to the paramount success of any outsourced management. If an end client, it can be a telecom industry or a banking industry, if at all, they outsource a particular project or development of a net banking application, let's say for example, then the success is very paramount. Nobody gets into such a project by thinking or hoping for failure. That's totally absurd, right? So business case benefits which arrive from this success have to be realized by the end client who outsources the project to the system integrators or the service people in service industry. So today's trend is towards innovation in open lifecycle management, lifecycle quality management, and software supply chain. End client is the focus in maintaining and having a proper control on all these practices, and outsources accountability. He is accountable for the complete execution, right? When let's say a particular bank outsources it to a particular system integrator, then the system integrator is completely accountable for the success of that particular project. Okay, so every IT company has a CIO. As I said, we in Bolin, my